Dr. Mukul Sangma, Trinamool Congress Legislature Party and Opposition Leader, commented on the smart meter conspiracy during the press conference August 18. This whole exercise gave us a reason to believe that there was an intention to cause loss to the state. We don't know how many people were involved in this conspiracy to cause damage to the state. Therefore, the best thing to ask for is an independent inquiry. The price which was indicated in the letter of award comes to Rs 11,000 plus per meter, including the installation and the GST. What has drawn our attention to come to the decision for an inquiry is the market price of the models that have been installed. This is the same meter that then Power Minister James K. Sangma has posted on his social media handle. The open market price is available on the manufacturer's website. There is a huge difference between the price that the government indicated in its letter of award and the open market price, he said.
So therefore, what we are looking at is the open market price, the difference between the open market price and the price that was awarded to. That is the reason why I have always insisted that government should indicate the measures taken to ensure the price determination exercise. Okay. How was the price determined and decided upon? Was there a single tender? If the technical bids had disqualified all other bidders, then the financial bid of only one tender or only one bidder was open, means there was no scope for determining the price, the comparison. So therefore, was there any exercise which can be interpreted as a predetermined exercise, or well-intended, manipulated mechanism adopted at the time of calling and closing the tender and closing the hour. So all these things having been considered, we have reasons to believe that yes, this whole exercise gives us a reason to believe that we cannot rule out a predetermined mala fide intention to cause loss to the state exchequer, which was calculated based on this figure, including the GST. Yeah. Around 137, yeah. The huge discrepancy, price discrepancy based on the available open market price and the price at which these contractors were awarded, you cannot imagine the difference, the level of difference. And therefore, there is a reason for us to believe that the whole process needs to be investigated by none other than an independent inquiry, be it through an SIT or through CBI. So therefore, I took this privilege to share with all of you this very information, since what we are doing is in the best interest of the state, in conformity with our sense of responsibility in as far as our responsibility towards the state and the people are concerned. Thank you.